So you want to add walking animations to your characters? Well, stick around and we'll show you how. Welcome back everyone to another Procreate Dreams tutorial where we're going to be doing a walking animation. So here I am in Procreate Dreams. I want to bring my project over from Procreate, so I'm going to put it on split view. Then open up Procreate. Here is my project file. Drag it over and drop it in. So I've provided you all of the drawings in the animation, and I've also provided you this time with the Procreate file with all the layers intact, so you'll be able to just drag it over into Procreate Dreams. Alright, there it all is, and now what I need to do is I need to hold it down, and I need to convert layers to tracks. So that's going to put it into a group, and then do it once more, hold it down, and then hit ungroup. And that's going to put all of your drawings onto separate layers. Okay, let's go into full screen mode here on Procreate Dreams. Full screen. Okay, now here is the problem I have found. So if I want each one of my drawings to last for 2 frames, we're going to have to cut these things down, because right now they are at the full length of the project, which is 15 seconds. So I have not found an easy way to do this. If you guys know an easy way, please let me know in the comment section below. So the only way I have found to do this is to go to my first layer. I'm going to set it 2 frames over. Hold down on the, or actually just tap it. Hit edit and split it. And then take this one and delete it. That's the only way I found out how to do this. So then we're going to do the same thing on this one. Got it for 2. Edit, split, delete that one. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up and we'll catch back up when I've done all this to all the other layers. Okay guys, we're back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to orient these things where they need to go. So I'm going to hold it down and drag it over and put it right where that one ends. Hold it down until you see the white, and then you're able to drag it. If you try to do it before that, it's going to create problems for you. There we go. And we'll just put these in stair-step order. See, like that. That's what you don't want to do. It'll start stretching it out again. Okay, I've got all of my layers in sequential order, stair-stepped out, and you can see what the animation looks like right now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make this a little bit more realistic. So think about if you're walking, when you put your foot down, your head is going to go up a little bit and your hips are going to go up a little bit. So that's the kind of thing that we want to try to emulate. So you got that black foot that's up in the air. It's fixing to come down. And then once it touches the ground, it's going to push down and then the body is going to go up. So this frame to that frame, the body needs to start raising. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe move. Yeah, there we go. So when you hit, let me go back. Hold this down. No, actually tap it. Go into move. Probably want to distort it. Yeah, that's better. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to raise his head up just a little bit. Well, he don't have a head, but the top of him. I'm going to raise it up just a little bit. And then on this next frame, I'm going to raise it up just a little bit more. So move, warp, maybe not warp. Let me go back. Move, distort. There we go. Move that last one. Move, distort. There we go. And then on that frame, he's going to be coming back down again. Move, distort. I'm going to bring his head down a little bit. All right, and now that other foot is pushing down now, so we need to bring his head back up again. Move, distort, bring his head up again. And move. Okay, then he should be going up. Stretch him up a bit. And this last frame, we're going to have him coming down again. Well, actually, he's in the original position, so maybe that is good. Let's see what it looks like. Nah, not so good. See what that looks like. Yeah, that's pretty good on the first two. So he's going to go up, up, and he's going to come back down. And then right here, he's going to go up again, move, all right. And then on this one, he's going to be coming back down again. Let me see what that looks like. Yeah, it looks better. So you can see how he's like kind of bobbing up and down a little bit. So that makes it look a little bit more realistic. And then think about if you had arms in there, you could have those swinging back and forth. And actually you could animate those using the perform mode, which would be a little bit easier for you to do it with your finger like that and let it record it. So I hope this has helped you guys. Kind of fumbled my way through how to do this, but I think this will help a lot of people when they make their original characters and they want to put that walking animation. So you could just use the bottom half of it right there to animate your characters. So I hope this has helped you guys. I'm sorry it's not a very in-depth program. I've been sick this week. My voice probably sounds like it, so I'm trying to recover, but I didn't want to miss a week. I've been doing this for over a year and I haven't missed a week yet, so I don't want to start. So having said that, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys next week with another Procreate or Procreate Dreams tutorial. Take care.